I have a confession to make. Even though I follow the Fly Lady system for a few years now, and I'm supposed to declutter my whole entire home before I begin deep cleaning, I have a little bit of a problem. That problem is books. Books galore. I can never seem to get rid of any books no matter what. And if you're anything like me, you might have the same issue. So for today's Declutter December challenge, we're going to tackle some books before the holidays. If you're a big reader, some of your loved ones might wish to give you books for the holiday season. Beat the clutter to the punch by getting rid of the books now. Join me in this challenge. I challenge you, let's go through our books and see which ones we can declutter. Today we're going to set a 15-minute timer, put some fun music, and be absolutely ruthless. If you want to see exactly what I'm decluttering, please join me over on Instagram where I show all of that there. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.